This is LK Cookie Fit, Zone by G2l. Here we go.
Ole pai na lung khanin tui bang ina long khomin illa tunin hinglal ki zin yana ko ni a so tai
I don't mean to let you shed your precious tears. I feel it didn't mean you to cry for your lover. As I start to understand you, I mean to help you live along in your life. But each time I was trapped and checked off ahead, cause I ain't know the relations between you and him burst my head. Baby, I think I'm dying. I can only see myself in the same of the life that I got. The words too small to hide my face. The sky is falling on my head. It's too heavy, the burden that I got, I'm dying. Cry out for help, the war ends, but can't help me leave my burdens. Only you, baby, please forgive me. Rebuild the relations between you and him. Friends talk, love and shit, but I, who kill his own friends, can't forgive myself. I accept the curse from your mouth, cause I can do nothing to let you regain the love that he gives you. The blessing that you get from him, the joy of being with him. I really don't understand what life is. I shook my head, and joined my knees to the ground, begging the world for her to let my friend live. Resume her joyous life and get her life free from a dangerous friend like me. Yeah, come on. Dedicated to baby, to apologize for the past life. That was a great time we spent, but now it's time change, things change and life change. Your best friend becomes your enemy. Ha.